Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to decorate your study table with sticky notes. First, gather your supplies. You'll want a variety of sticky note sizes, perhaps 3 by 3 inches or 2 by 2 inches, and a range of vibrant colors. Next, ensure your study table is clean and clear. Wipe down the surface to remove any dust or debris. Finally, consider a theme or color scheme to guide your creative process, perhaps a cool blue and green palette. Now, let's plan your layout. Before you start sticking, it's helpful to group your notes. For instance, keep all your urgent tasks on one color and ideas on another. Consider sketching a rough design on a piece of paper. This helps visualize the arrangement. You might designate a top corner for daily reminders and a side area for inspirational quotes. Planning saves time and ensures a cohesive look. Time for some creative placement. Try forming a mosaic pattern on a section of your table using smaller, 1-inch by 1-inch sticky notes. For key information, like a major deadline or an inspiring quote, use larger notes, perhaps 4 by 6 inches, to make them stand out. You could also arrange notes in a visually appealing gradient, transitioning from light to dark, or a vibrant rainbow sequence across your desk. To keep your decorated study table functional and fresh, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to update or replace old, irrelevant notes every few days. Utilize color coding effectively. For example, red for urgent, green for completed, and yellow for ideas. Always keep a small stack of blank sticky notes, perhaps 25 to 50 sheets, with an easy reach for those sudden thoughts or quick reminders. This keeps your space both beautiful and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.